Hi everyone, welcome back to Weekend Vlogs. Hope everyone is doing good, and today I have come with some interesting day in my life vlog which includes some back to school preparations, one interesting cooking video and glimpses of here and there. Hope you all enjoy watching this, so let's get into the video. Here in Singapore, school started after a long vacation, and my daughter is pretty much excited to meet her friend. On the previous day evening, I mean the last day of vacation, we saw a clear rainbow in the sky. Rainbows have always felt somewhat magical to us. It was visible very clearly in front of our apartment. Everyone was busy taking selfies, photos, etc. Seeing a colorful rainbow can add more colors to your day. Wishing everyone a hope of having a better world free of all kinds of negativity and many rainbow moments in life. Before going to school, we require to take the COVID 19 antigen rapid test, that is the R test at home. These are easily accessible, convenient, and widely available in every retail pharmacies. We need to insert the swab provided about 2 centimeter and rotate about 5 times both sides of the nostril and place the swab into the plastic vial provided. Preparing the liquid and transferring the mixed solution to the test cartridge. Once the result is obtained, parents can submit it at a link provided by the school, and this is a procedure which everyone has to be compulsorily followed. And it is done. What comes to our mind when we hear the school reopening date is the lunchbox preparation and packing. Moms are always much confused about what to pack and how to make it interesting to your kids' lunchbox, which is healthy as well as tasty. No single food can provide all the nutrition to your body needs. Make the right choices for your child to ensure they stay well nourished. It's always essential to include foods such as fresh fruits, crunchy vegetables, a cup of meat, eggs, or peanut butter, and dairy foods such as cheese, milk, or yogurt, and starchy foods like bread or crackers, and some water. Good morning. I know many kids are very choosy and picky eaters, so they might like to taste or eat the fruits and vegetables when they see their friends eat and enjoy. We'll call her 1 hour before, and she needs enough time to get ready and flexible breakfast time. She always prefer eating simple breakfast like cornflakes, bread or non-spicy food, and also I never force her to eat more in the morning. It is always better to ask them what they want for breakfast for a beautiful start of the day. Back to the lunchbox preparation. Since it's a full day school, I would prefer keeping fruits and vegetables in a small portions of different types so that if they don't eat one or two, they can eat the other one. So what I packed was chapati and roasted chicken, cucumber and carrots, some oranges, kiwi and one choco pie. I recently purchased this lunchbox which has many divisions so that we can keep different varieties of fruits and vegetables in a small portion. One thing I suggest everyone is that keep the food which makes your child happy when they open the lunch box at school. That would really help, especially the fussy eaters. how much ever early we get ready, even then the last minute rush will definitely be there. If the COVID situation worsens, classes will be again back to online or the home based learning. So, as of now, she's much excited to meet her friends and teachers after a very long time. Since I have not added any recipe in this video, I have decided to add a kids friendly, interesting recipe. Hope you all enjoy it. And the recipe is called banana peanut butter bite. Every kid will like this, so definitely make a try. So let's start by preparing the bananas. Firstly, peel them and slice them as shown, or you can cut the bananas according to your wish and slowly spread the peanut butter on top of each of the slices. Bananas are fiber rich and peanut butter is full of fat and proteins. This is a healthy and definitely tasty, perfect snacks for both adults and kids. I have spread about half teaspoon of peanut butter on a banana slice. Keep doing this until all banana slices are used, and here I have about 12 to 15 bites. Now here I have some crushed peanuts which is coarsely grinded into powder. Dip the banana slices into it and cover it completely. Dip and cover each of the banana slices completely and keep it aside. Once it is done, let's melt our chocolate by simply taking the dark chocolate or milk chocolate, microwave it for 1 minute. You can melt by double boiling method. Now simply dip each of the bananas into the chocolate and completely cover it and keep it on the silver foil or the baking paper. Place in the freezer to harden for about half an hour to 1 hour. The yummy and the delicious banana bites is ready. You can store this bites into a freezer safe storage container for about 1 to 2 months in the freezer. So when you store the banana bites for longer period, they can get pretty hard. So you will want to take them out of the freezer and let them thaw about 5 minutes before eating. So do try out this recipe and your kids will definitely love it. Hope you all like watching this video and see you all in another video. Till then, it's bye from me.